Hello everyone, how are you doing? Personally, I'm doing good. Thank you very much for tuning in at today's lesson. As you can see, today we are going to discuss on laws of indices, and for this matter, division. And this is division of numbers in index form. And before we move to our today's questions, I want to do some introduction on this law, where it comes from, division law of indices. That is, if you have an expression, for instance, a power 4 divided by a power 2, this is the same as a times a times a times a 4 times all this divided by a times a. You can see these are two a's, they cancel, and you remain with a times a, which is the same as a squared. And therefore we can comfortably say that a power 4 divided by a power 2 is the same as a power 4 minus 2, which is equal to a power 2. That is why we say in division of numbers in index form, for as long as the base is the same, they have the same bases, we subtract the powers and maintain the bases. And B, maintain the bases, subtract the powers. The powers are the indices, that is the index, exponential, you can call them any. Yes, so from now, we are supposed to know that every other time we come across division of indices, then we are supposed to subtract the powers. So let us go directly to some questions here. We have simplify the following expressions, giving your answer in index form. Simplify the following expressions, giving your answer in index form. And this is the expression, as you can see. Then we'll have, this is the same as 5 power 5 minus 3 power. And then we have, this will be equal to 5 power 2, because 5 minus 3 is 2. Yes, that is it about that. As simple as that. The next one, not much difference, they have the same basis, so we are going to subtract the powers. That is, this is the same as 3 power 4 minus 2, which is equal to, can have these brackets, which is equals to 3 power 2. Just as simple as that. Starting from the symbol to the abate complex. For that reason, let's move to another question here. With us, we'll have simplify the following expressions, giving your answer in index form. Now, not much difference. The issue here is that the bases are, in this case, is a non-y. So we are going to maintain the base y. And then after maintaining the base y, we subtract the powers. This will be y power 2. You see? Yeah, very, very simple. Then from there, we go to another bit different, other normal difference. For this case, the x has a coefficient 4, as you can see. So for this case, we are going to divide the whole numbers. That is the 4 divided by 4, and then divide the indices, that is the x power 8 and x power 3. This can be written as 4 power x, or 4x power 8 over 4x power 3, and you can see the 4 will cancel because it is division. And this you can see this is the same as x power 8 divided by x power 3, which is the same as x power 8 minus 3. And this is the same as x power 5. Just that. Yeah, look at that. Then from there, we have another one here with us, as you can see. This is a combination of multiplication and division of indices, and therefore we are going to deal with the numerator, and then we'll divide what we get on the numerator with the denominator. So the numerator has 5 power 9 times 5 power 3, which is the same as, can you remember how we multiply indices? I have explained this in my previous video. Kindly, if you have not checked, please check. I explained multiplication of indices in details, from introduction, different examples, and so on. So we say that in multiplication of indices, we add the powers and maintain the base as long as the indices have the same base. So this will be 5. The base is 5 power 9 plus 3. And this is supposed to be 5 power 12, because 9 plus 3 is 12. Yes. And then from there, we have the denominator. The numerator over the denominator. The numerator, we've got 5 power 12, and you can see the denominator is 5 power 4. And this can be written as 5 power 12 divided by 5 power 4, which is the same as 5 power 12 minus 4, because now this is division. And this will be equal to 5 power 12 minus 4, correct, 8. Just imagine we are just through. Simple as that. Look at that. Yeah, step by step to the final answer. Look at this exam question 2, as we are going to do it. Look at that. The same case with the previous one, not too much different. Although in this case the numerator and the denominator all have multiplication. So you're going to do the same thing here. We are going to take the numerator, then the denominator, work out separately. We'll have the numerator, sorry for my camera, is a bit blurred. Good. Okay, so the numerator has f power 6 times f power 3, which is the same as, this is now multiplication of indices. This is the same as f power 6 plus 3. Because this is multiplication, we said we add the powers and maintain the base. And this will be the same as f power 9. Remember that is the numerator. We go to the denominator. Then the denominator will have f power 4 multiplied by f power 2. This is the same as f power 4 plus 2, because it is multiplication of indices again. And this is the same as f power 6. You see, we have the numerator, we have the denominator. Then from there we substitute, or we go back to numerator over the denominator. So f power 9, the numerator, over f power 6. Yes, and this is the same as f power 9 divided by f power 6, which can also be written as f power 9 minus 6. Remember what we just said. Now in division we subtract the powers. This is finally f power 9 minus 6, which is 3. Let's look at that. Very simple. That's how the question looked like. Okay, good. Yeah, so allow me to come to the end of today's lesson. Thank you very much for watching this video up to that point. Thank you very much for always supporting what I do. I'm just doing this to help learners do good in mathematics, enjoy, understand mathematics, and be critical thinkers. Thank you very, very much. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly do. You are not late. I will really appreciate. If you have any question, drop your comment there, the comment section, and I'll surely see it. Till next time, bye bye.